If LibreOffice is suddenly closing on you, or you keep seeing that unexpected error or crash report window, don't worry, this is usually fixable. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to solve a LibreOffice unexpected error on Windows, whether the issue is coming from a corrupted user profile, a graphics acceleration conflict, or a failed installer. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, if LibreOffice opens and then crashes right away, the best place to start is Safe Mode. Open your Windows Start menu, search for LibreOffice Safe Mode, and launch it from there. If you're on another system, look for it in your Applications folder. Safe Mode starts LibreOffice with limited settings, which makes it much easier to isolate the cause of the crash. Once LibreOffice opens in Safe Mode, look for the Configure option. Click it, then find the setting for hardware acceleration. In many cases, the problem is caused by OpenGL or Skia conflicting with your graphics card or display drivers. Turn on Disable Hardware Acceleration, then save that change and try opening LibreOffice normally again. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to stop the unexpected error. If LibreOffice is still crashing, go back into Safe Mode again. This time, choose Reset to Factory Settings, then check Reset Entire User Profile. This is important because a damaged local configuration cache or user profile can cause repeated crashes, even when the program itself is installed correctly. After selecting that option, click Apply Changes and Restart. LibreOffice will rebuild the profile from scratch and launch with fresh settings. Now, if your problem is happening during installation or while updating LibreOffice on Windows and the installer wizard suddenly stops with an unexpected error number, the fix is a little different. In that case, you need to run the installer with full administrative privileges so Windows doesn't block the setup process. To do that, click your Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This opens an elevated command window, which gives the installer the permissions it needs. Next, find your downloaded LibreOffice MSI setup file. Hold Shift, right-click the file and choose Copy as Path. Then paste that full file path into the command prompt window and press Enter. This forces the installer to run cleanly from the command line and can bypass the unexpected error that appears in the regular setup wizard. If the installation completes, restart your computer and launch LibreOffice again to confirm everything is working properly. If you are fixing a crash, test the document or open the app a few times to make sure the unexpected error is gone. So to recap, if LibreOffice is crashing, start with Safe Mode and disable hardware acceleration. If that doesn't work, reset the entire user profile. And if the problem is during installation, run the MSI as administrator from command prompt using the full file path. Those 3 steps solve most LibreOffice unexpected error issues on Windows. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.